Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Beauties. Today, we're giving your lash a natural, lifted look with a lash lift in 3 simple steps. Quick, easy, and beginner-friendly. Let's go! Step, clean, and prep. Start with clean lash, no makeup, no oils. Apply under-eye pads to protect your skin. Then choose the right silicone shield size for your lash length. Brush your lash upward so they sit neatly on the shield. Step, lift, and set. Apply the lifting lotion from root to mid-length. This is what shapes your curl. Let it sit for about 8 to 12 minutes depending on your lash thickness. Then remove gently. Next, apply the setting lotion to lock in that beautiful lift. Step, nourish and reveal. Wipe away any residue, then apply a nourishing serum or oil to condition your lash. Brush them out, and voila, perfectly lifted lash that make your eyes pop. No mascara needed. And that's it, 3 easy steps to a flawless lash lift at home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more quick beauty tutorials. Make this short enough for 30 seconds short.